Bayan Rizal Sir, originally from the Philippines, now living in the USA. I worked for 15 years as an OFW in Abu Dhabi as a beautician, but life brought unexpected challenges here. One day while scrolling Facebook, I discovered a digital business that changed everything to me. Even without experience, I took action because I had the big dreams. My husband and I love to travel and visit my family back home. And like many Filipinos, I love helping them. We are doing this for 5 years now. Through this business, guys, we're hotel and restaurant in the Philippines, mortgage free in a short period of time. I just bought my SUV with cash, no utang. If you're looking for extra income or more precious time with your family, join our free workshop session. If I can do it, you can too. Action is the key. Take that first step. See you in the inside. God bless. Bye.